We're looking at another flip phone today. Meet the TECNO Phantom V Flip 2. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. In today's video, you heard it, we're taking a look at this foldy. If you're like me who's into foldables, you might want to stick around to see what this can do. But first, let's unbox. Closer look at these phones. First of all, there are two colors. You have this gray black one, and then you have the travertine green, which is what I'm loving. Both phones have that nice matte back, and the green sort of has this marble design. I'm not sure you can see it on camera. Now this phone feels solid in hand. It feels premium. It's a sleek little foldy, and that great big screen up front though. Now on this side, you get an unlock button, your volume rocker. At the bottom you get speakers, USB-C port, you get your SIM tray, and Dolby Atmos sounds. On the other side, you can see that there is no gap there whatsoever. Let's unfold. Fold. That's nice and sturdy, that hinge. So when you unfold, it sticks to the angle that you put it to. It doesn't flip open or close. Well, it does flip open at some point here, but then you get that whole range of motion. And that screen though, still so satisfying. And yeah, folding and unfolding, it doesn't feel fragile at all. I just love the motion of the phone flipping and unflipping. Okay, so I'm absolutely loving the screen on this. Like, look at how big that is right off the bat. From here, there are many things that you can do already. Swipe up and you get your little apps, and I kid you not, you can play games on here. Wait. Oh, I died. You get the idea. You can go on Instagram on here. You get notifications in that little box. Like even your mail or maps or TikTok, you can open straight here without moving any settings, without doing anything. It's right off the bat ready for you to use. I love that because not all flip phones are created equal, and not all flip phones can do that. And that's actually one of my main gripes about other flip phones. This one right off the bat acts like your inside screen, so I love that. And from here, you can even add all the other apps that you have. You can access the full QWERTY keyboard if you want to, and you can type here. Well, not as easily because it's tinier, but you get the idea. It's doable. And from here, you have quick access to your camera as well. And of course, there are gonna be cool camera features because of this cover screen. Stay tuned, we'll talk about that later. I mean, honestly, this might be my favorite feature of this Flippy. Again, it acts like your real phone, and that's just a cover screen.
Aside from all that, there are many different ways to personalize and customize your cover screen. Like you have different cover options, and then you can change themes. You can even add cute pets to it. Look at how cute!
Now, the TECNO Phantom V Flip 2 also has AI. You get Magic Eraser, which allows you to erase unwanted people in the frame. There's AI GC Portrait, which creates AI portraits of you based on a photo. You get Intelligent Cutouts, which allow you to cut out things from your images to share away on your Notes app or social media. And then there's AI Pattern, which basically is you drawing stuff and AI giving life to that drawing. But it doesn't stop there. This phone has an AI personal assistant named Ella. There's also AI Summary, which can summarize PowerPoint files, for example, or just text. And there's AI Translate. Time for the camera tour. First off, there's a quick camera shortcut on the cover screen. Hey, and you can change around settings here, portrait, AI cam, or video, and then you can zoom in or out. Ooh, that's wide. And then here you have makeup mode, and then you have the DV mode for the cover screen. So you can shoot video here up until 4K. Now this form factor allows you to shoot many different ways. So for example, you have AI cam on here, tap here, and cover screen preview is enabled, of course. When you fold the phone, as you can see, it flips to one side, and then you can even move it at the bottom. And so of course you can shoot this way. You can use palm gestures to shoot. And then you can use the screen to sort of change the angle around depending on how you want it. And that's actually super useful if you're trying to shoot your own photos or videos. What I wanted to show you would be the DV mode. So put it sideways and enter that mode. As you can see, you get many different filters. It's really cool. You get very vintage looking stuff. And then you can hold it like this. When you record, you can just zoom in or out. 1x up until 10x. Easy. Pretty cool.
And there's even a case from TECNO for that camcorder mode.
Now really quickly, on photos, you can do wide 1x, 2x up until 10x. Ooh, what is that? 10x. Back to wide. You have a flash here. You have your different filters here. You have your 50 megapixel mode on here. You have your more filters, size ratio, and then on the right you have a portrait mode that does 1x, 2x. You can change the aperture settings here. You have your different beauty modes. Oh my gosh, body beauty modes. And then here you have face beauty mode. These are fun, but remember, it's always best to see the natural you. Now you have a super night mode, which is a highlight feature of this phone, and you can do wide 1x, 2x up until 10x, and then back to wide. Under more, you have more modes, including a pro mode. Under video, you can shoot 1080p up until 4K 30 FPS. You have a steady mode. Ultimate video enhancement is on. That's cool. And then you have this really cute vlog mode. On video selfie, hi, you can do up until 1080p 60 FPS, 2K 30 FPS, and then you have, ooh, a portrait mode on video. You have your video, ultimate video enhancement mode. You get your different filters, even on video. And then there's AI cam, which you can do 1x. Portrait mode, super night mode selfie, and then back to more. Now, let's show you some sample shots. And that was our first look at the TECNO Phantom V Flip 2. Honestly, there's so many features on this. I'm very impressed and happy to see that we're getting AI in more and more form factors. My personal favorite feature on this phone is how it utilizes the cover screen to be able to let you do so many things. If you're in the market for a flip phone, you might want to look at the TECNO Phantom V Flip 2. All details on pricing and availability that I have on this device, I'll also add in the description box below. That's it for today. Of course, it's just our first look, so if you want me to do more videos on this phone, if you want a social media test or a camera vlog test, comment down below. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.